Urgent hiring, electrical maintenance technician, industry, steel manufacturing, location, Meramandali, Angul, Odisha, position, electrical maintenance technician, qualification, ITI electrical, experience 3 plus years, CTC up to 3 LPA, preferred candidate profile, CTC with experience in HT, power systems will be preferred, key job responsibilities, 220 kV overhead transmission line inspection and maintenance, 220 kV and 33 kV outdoor switchyard maintenance, 33 kV by 6.6 kV by 415 volt switchgear operation and maintenance, troubleshooting of HT and LT power systems, ST by LT cable laying and control cable termination, transformer maintenance, motor starter maintenance, lighting circuit maintenance. Interested candidate can contact on the given number. Immediate hiring. Apply now. Thank you.